From service, good evening. This is Terence speaking. How can I help you? Okay, ma'am. The menu is on the side table of your beside the telephone for your selection. Okay, ma'am. Our most syllable are crispy pata and kare-kare. Which one would you like to order, ma'am? What about your drinks, ma'am? Shall I bring you our healthy, fresh orange juice and or carrot juice? Okay, ma'am. We have special leche flan and creamy fruit salad today for dessert. Would you like to try them? Will that be all, ma'am? So, ma'am, you ordered our crispy pata, one kare-kare, and one orange juice. Did I get your order correct, ma'am? Okay, ma'am, can I have your name and your room number, please? Okay, ma'am. Your food will be delivered in approximately 15 minutes, ma'am. Thank you for calling from service. Kindly wait your food, ma'am. Have a nice day. Room service.
Yes.
Good evening, ma'am. This is your room service delivery. May I come in?
Come in.
Excuse me, ma'am. Where would you like to place your order?
Leave it on the table.
Excuse me, ma'am. Do you like to open the curtain or open the aircon?
No thanks.
May I present your bill, ma'am?
Okay. Here.
Is there anything else that I can do for you?
I'm okay.
Excuse me, ma'am. When would you like me to come back to clear the soy dishes?
About 30 minutes to 1 hour.
Okay, ma'am. When you're done, please just call us. Dial 166.
Okay.
Enjoy your meal, ma'am. Have a nice day.